So rescue operations that are being conducted on war footing there, that is what the former health minister and the former chief minister of Uttarakhand, Ramesh Pokhriyal, has to say, and also the current union cabinet minister who has come across there to the site of the damage where the tragedy unfolded, and the kind of rescue operations you can see. There are jawans from the army, there are jawans from the ITBP, the local police, the NDRF and the SDRF that continues to engage themselves in the rescue operations that are still continuing because Madhurima, it is still being said that over 150 people are reported to be missing, and this is going to be the first task to save as many lives as possible.
Absolutely. The government, the state government and the central government both have made it clear that their priority is to save lives. That is the paramount, that is the first thing that they are working on it. And to do so, let me even tell you that even 6 columns of Indian Army, around 6,000 people, personnel, which is, in totality, have been dispatched, have been sent to the particular site. Even from the DRDO, the people are coming down today. A team has been sent to study that what caused this Nanda Devi glacier burst, and as we know that people are missing, the rescue work in the second tunnel has also begun. We know that how the water level had risen, but now we are also learning that the water is not going downstream. The downstream has been stopped at Srinagar by the hydro project people working there. So therefore, all the districts which were initially put on red alert, though the red alert still persists, but at the same time, the notice has been issued that no need to create panic. Even the DGP today has said that the rescue work in the second tunnel has resumed, and at the same time, what is to be noted is that any sort of miscommunication or rumor should not be peddled, and only information on social media which is coming from the verified handles should be peddled across. So this is the update that we are getting even from the side of the ITBP. Around 200 personnel have been put in. When we talk about the IAF, it is also monitoring the situation. A lot of medicine, foodstuff and relief material has already been stationed at Dehradun, from where it will be carried forward. AIIMS Rishikesh is totally equipped and is on standby for any sort of situation. Similarly, 30 to 40 bed hospitals from Joshimath to, in other district of near Joshimath have been prepared, so that if any untoward incidents happens from here, of any critical patient needs any sort of assistance, they are also being assisted. So these are the developments we are learning from the incident which took place yesterday. The positive point, I'll repeat once again, that the downstream water flow has reduced and has been stopped at Srinagar. Therefore, all the areas and the nearby districts can calm down and should not follow any rumor which is being peddled on social media. Only verified handles need to be followed for any update. Back to you.
All right, Madhurima, thanks very much for the update. As we have been also speaking to the locals there with those updates coming in from Joshimath, how they actually saw the glacier burst happening right before their eyes, and the kind of damage that will also be assessed, because it is being said that at least 2 hydro projects and several bridges have been washed today or have been severely damaged. The houses along the riverbanks have also been destroyed, and there are personnel from the ITBP, the NDRF, the SDRF and the Indian Army who have been deployed in a massive relief and rescue effort that has still been mounted, as we also listen in to the reactions coming in from the locals as to what they have to say on the current situation.
इस वक्त रिपब्लिक भारत ग्राउंड जीरो पर मौजूद, और हमारे सामने हम तस्वीरों में दिखा रहे हैं, ये है रेडी गांव को आप साफ तौर पे देख रहे हैं। ये रेडी गांव है। सबसे पहले अगर बात की जाए आपदा का शिकार ये गांव है, और इसके नीचे आप धीरे धीरे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं पूरी आपदा जिस तरह से यहाँ पर आई है। ये देख सकते हैं पूरे निशान यहाँ पर है कि पानी कितनी तेजी के साथ यहाँ पर बहा